What's up guys? Welcome to my first vlog. Kakagising ko lang. And later, I'll take you guys to my school and show you guys around. And then let's ask some people what do they think about Filipinos. So guys, dumaan yung isa kong tropa dito sa Japan. Ano to? From Pakistan. Tanong natin siya kung anong tingin sa Pilipino. Let's see. Yo, what's up, Kasimo? I got a question, bro. Like, this is my first vlog.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have like question.
Yeah, okay.
Like, what do you think about Filipinos?
What I think about Filipinos? Well, it's like Filipinos are really friendly, good nature.
Okay.
They love to play basketball.
Okay.
The boys especially. They love to play, and girls too, and they love anime.
Okay.
And as much I know, like not Filipinos in Japan, Philippines, like in Filipinos in Philippines, they love anime. So, I mean, I have a good experience with my Filipino friends. So, doesn't mean anything like that.
How about the face though? What do you think about their faces?
It's okay. More like, it's not like how to say that thing, but it's like handsome. Some are like good, okay. Some like it's like every single thing. Like every country have that kind of face. It's like ugly, normal,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Okay,
So it's
bro.
like doesn't mean like that, but it is like okay.
Mhm.
So you can walk with them, you can enjoy with them.
Okay.
That's a good thing. They're friendly, man. That's the thing.
Lastly,
Yeah.
do you know any Filipino word? Just one, bro.
Oh yeah, man. I know many, man. Thanks to you guys, man. Like
Yes, sir.
putang ina mo. Uy, gago, batla.
Damn, bro. So, yun po, no? Ngayon, papunta na kami school. Kung hindi nyo po natatanong, yung school po namin ay panghapon. Saka international school siya. So, you can meet like different kinds of people there, like this guy. Now, I'm gonna bring you to school, people. Papunta na ako sa eskwelahan ngayon. Maghanap tayo ng mga estudyanteng matatanong natin. What's up, bro?
I'm good.
What's up, bro?
How are
Man, you
you,
look
man?
cool
You are
today,
looking
bro.
good, bro.
Of course, I got a question for you.
What?
What do you think about Filipinos?
I want civic. And then go Philippines. And in the civic, I want to take 5 girls, random girls.
So you think
And
Filipinos
the
are good?
Philippines are like very cute girl, bro.
Okay,
I
okay,
love the
okay.
Philippines.
Do you know any Filipino word?
Putak ina mo.
Then you say the same thing, bro. Okay, okay. Bro, what do you think about Philippines? Filipinos.
I mean, they are really cool. I
Okay.
have a few friends. and,
Okay.
I like talking with them, playing with them. We played like basketball.
How about their faces? What do you think?
I mean, I have some handsome friends, and one is beside me.
How about do you know any Filipino word?
I'm not gonna say what Sajan said.
It's bad, bro. That's good, bro. That's good. Thank you, bro. So this is my classmate Yumi. What do you think about Filipinos?
I think you're good people.
Okay. How about their
Funny
yeah? How about their faces though?
faces.
Yeah.
The good faces.
Okay. Do you know any
Good
Filipino?
style.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Do you know any Filipino words?
No.
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 Okay. Thank you. Thank you. You know, first one in the class. Tang inagiliw. Philippine Gino ko to, doimasu ka?
可愛いと思います。
なんか personality は
めっちゃ優しいと思います。
優しいフィリピンの言葉知ってますか
フィリピンのこともちろん知っています。Salamat po.
Salamat po. Okay bro, thank you bro.
Ang ganda mo.
Ang ganda mo. This guy bro, thank you bro. What's up bro, what do you think about Philippines?
Philippines,
Yeah.
it's a cool country, bro. I mean, the peoples are cool too.
Yeah. Like do you have like friends here? Like Filipinos?
Yeah, I got some friends.
Mhm.
Like they're super chill. We hoop together sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're super chill. Super good too in basketball.
Okay.
They're super chill, bro.
Okay.
You should make one. If you don't have any Philippine friends, you should make one.
Do you know any Filipino words?
I know.
You can say anything, bro. Just say. What?
They say salamat.
Salamat.
Yeah.
Another else?
Yeah, and that's it, bro. we speak in English. That's all.
Yeah, okay,
Thank
okay.
you so much, bro.
Okay. フィリピン人のことをどう思いますか？
正確に
は
ないんか、あまり知らないけど、
うん
インターネットで、
はい。
友達3人くらいにいます、
はい
その友達がめっちゃ優しくてなんか可愛いと思います、
うん最後になんかフィリピン語の言葉してますか？
マケンタ
Maganda.
マケンタなん
Okay.
かありがとうとか
Ah,
違うか
maganda means beautiful.
beautiful あ可愛いかな、
Yeah.
そう
Thank
これは
you.
知ってる
Thank
あり
you.
がとうございます
フィリピン人のことどう言いますか？
Small titi.
What the hell? なんかフィリピンの言葉知ってますか？
Jakul.
Jao, damn bro, what yung kutuwa bro? Sorry dami bro. So tapos na po ang school guys. Yes sir. And kung gusto niyo ang part 2, sabihin niyo lang. And say goodbye to the vlog bro.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.
So yun ra.
Focus.
Sayonara.